Meghalaya government is set to implement the Meghalaya Urban Parking Policy 2025 to regulate parking and address traffic congestion in Shillong. Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Snehaw Bhalangdar announced that the policy aims to streamline roadside parking and prevent unauthorized vehicle stoppages in the city. Dhar stated that unregulated parking has been a significant factor contributing to traffic congestion in Shillong. As part of the new policy, designated parking zones will be introduced and vehicle owners will be required to pay a parking fee. The government will also identify specific locations where parking will be permitted to ensure better traffic management. In addition to the parking policy, the government has decided to relocate the Secretariat to New Shillong to further reduce congestion in the capital. Dhar emphasized that the state is actively exploring additional measures to improve urban mobility and ease traffic challenges in Shillong.
Uh, Regarding this traffic, in fact, the government has spoken a lot about this traffic jam and the policies that it has come up. When ultimately we'll see that all this traffic point parking lots and all will be coming up, and this vehicles parking on the roadside will be stopped.
Oh, this is a continuous process of modifying all these things. And you know very well, even this some parking is yet to come out very soon. And even from the Urban Affairs Department, we have recently passed a parking policy only for urban, which should help immensely, I should say, because parking policy, especially for a strict policy. So this is one of the remedial measure, and the other parking is coming up maybe in very short times. And the other issue, you know very well, police traffic is maintained very well about this issue, traffic issue. And yes, of course, whatever we say, traffic is still there. And that is one of the reasons why we decided to move to the new city, new secretariat. That is one reason. I think maybe after we shift to the new secretariat, maybe in 3-4 years, it will be drastically improved in everything. So for the time being, yes, we have to be a little bit, no way out. And from the government side, we are discussing and we are doing things every now and then, every day. We didn't sit idle, you know very well. Sometimes police keep changing the road, one way, two way, all this because to reduce traffic only. And I have seen at least for the last few weeks, one is a little bit improved, not like before. It's really crowded, and especially when the school start again, then again it will be, you know very well, it will be traffic again. But we will try to modify so many ways how to reduce traffic.
I think it was the High Court that had issued an order to relocate and identify illegal hawkers also.
That is the reason. So we are on the process of get things done properly, in line with the court order.
But we are saying that when it comes to urban infrastructure projects here, some pressure groups here, they are opposing everything, be it the construction of some markets in Watts Lake or anything. So what do you think about this? Like,
don't worry about that. Government will work nicely on their own way. We never work under pressure. Yes, suggestion is accepted by us, no problem. Everybody can suggest, can advise, no issue. But we will work accordingly. Don't worry on this. It won't hamper development.
And what about that particular smart road in Lashumer? Because though I believe the project has been cancelled, there's no activity going on and the road is...
No, now from the PWD department, they have prepared one estimate to resurface almost all the bad road in the city. We are waiting for that. Almost sanctioned, I think. From PWD, no, from PWD, not from me, not from Urban. To resurface all the main roads, especially in and around city.
But like the smart roads which were planned in other areas, those have been cancelled.
That's why it's cancelled. So because we are coming with the full plan with the new resurfacing program from the PWD department, and that is included in that.
Because of these haphazard parking, it's very difficult for them to reach to many locations where there are fires or something like that.
That is the reason the parking policy for urban, especially for road stick parking, that is the main reason to reduce all this road parking. And it will be implemented in a very short time.
By when are you expecting to?
We are modifying the rule now. Policy has passed, we've modified the rule, and no one can simply park blindly on the road, and that itself reduce traffic drastically.
Has the department identified any place for parking bay?
It's already there, you know very well. There is also now no identified parking bay because of the people park randomly. That is the reason traffic increased from D3. That is why we passed a policy this last 2 weeks.
Our roads are very.
And in that policy, and we will identify which is parking bay, which road we can park on the side, but they have to pay parking. That is the meaning of parking policy, especially in the urban areas, especially for the road street parking.
When this first parking lot will be inaugurated, because everyone is waiting for this inauguration.
Let's see. I cannot say when, but we are trying to speed up as possible as we can.
By when expected, ma?
By when? Why I say at the earliest possible. At the earliest possible will come up.
Ma, also this new shopping mall that has come up in Polo, just behind the Muda. When will it be inaugurated?
Almost. There is slightly some work is pending, and as soon as that clear, we'll inaugurate it.
What will be this mall called?
Not yet decided. When inaugurate, everything will be named.
Okay. How many shops are there? And if you can give us details.
No, number of shop. I cannot give you detail, but number of shop. But it's a big mall. It's a big thing.
So what is the plan now? Like, do you plan to accommodate the?
No, we are yet to take a decisions how to go with it, because before going for the EOI.
So in fact, Jail Road, because this construction is going on, because of this, the road has become really narrow. By when this construction will end?
Which one?
Jail Road, that shopping complex is being constructed.
Yeah, even this just after the session, I went for inspection. So I think by December we should be able to complete this project. Only then we'll streamline properly in such a manner there will be no crowded along the road, especially.
Whether there is hawkers will be allowed to sit along this road?
Don't worry, you know that hawker is on the job now, and there is something in the code also. So we will take action at the earliest possible in appropriate manner.
When these hawkers will be relocated?
No place, more or less, we are yet to finalize the place. Only then we'll go ahead as per plan, accordingly.
Earlier it was decided that from Khandailat the hawkers will be relocated first.
We are yet to finalize, but don't worry, we will get things done.
By when it is expected?
Not by when, I think maybe process already started.